Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio language on the Memories in Orbit game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Memories in Orbit game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, go into the settings menu from the middle option. Then from this page, go into the game menu, which is the first option at the left. And now you can see the text as well as the voice language. Navigate to the voice language and press enter. And now you can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the various different languages that are available. Press enter once you have your desired language, and now your chosen voice language will be selected. You can then go back and start enjoying your game with your chosen audio language. And if at any point you wish to change this, you can go back into your settings and then choose your desired voice language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your audio language within the Memories in Orbit game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.